Today I'm going to be showing you a screencast on how to use Glogster EDU. Glogster EDU is the leading educational platform for the creative expression of knowledge and skills in the classroom and beyond. It provides educators and students with the technology to create blogs or online posters with text, photos, videos, graphics, sounds, drawings, data attachments, and much more. Using this website benefits the students in many ways, including expanding the digital learning environment, enabling the students to master the standards, promoting the students to use their independent problem-solving skills. It demonstrates the students' understanding of the information they were given and provides differentiated instructional activities for them to complete. To create a glog, you must first open your browser and type in the URL, which is edu.glogster.com. Then log in using your username and password. Next, you need to click the button that says Create New Glog. It's green in the center of the screen. Then choose a template for the design of your page. Once the template is open, you can edit any section by using the toolbar at the top or clicking on the area you wish to edit. So, say I wanted to change the background, I would click Wall and then go to Gallery, and I could pick any of these folders, so I will go here, then click Open, and I could pick any of these. Then if these ones didn't suit me, I could use the arrow button to scroll to the next page. Once I find one I like, I click on it and then click Use It, and then close the box. To change the title over here, I would click, and then there's a button that says ABL, and I would click that, and I could delete what's written here and type in whatever I want. So say my topic was animals, I could type in animals. If I wanted it to be centered, I could use this toolbox right here and click on the center button. I could change the size of the text, make it bigger or smaller. Change the color by highlighting it and clicking on one of the colors there. Or I could click all colors, and then it provides a color wheel that you can pick from. Then say this isn't where I wanted it, I could click on it and move it to whichever part of the page I thought it fit best. I could rotate it by using the rotate arrows. If I wanted to change the color, I could click the text button, then highlight it and make it a different color, or change the font by clicking out of the list over here. I could underline it if I wanted. And if I didn't like what I did, down here is an undo button, so you could fix what you did and redo if you like it. Over here, this is a text box, but they have dots inserted in there, so I would have to delete the dots to type things in. So say I wanted to type in my first fact. And again, I could change the color or the font size by highlighting it. And I could pick my font from over here, then change it to a smaller size, make it a different color, and so on and so forth. Down here there's a space where you can add a video, so you click on the box and it says video, so you click on that, and the same box that you use to change the background shows up, and there's an option that says video, so you click on that. And then you could upload a video if you had one on your computer you wanted to use. You could click the link button, which you would type in the URL. Or if the video is on a page that you already have, you could use the grab thing, and then you could grab it and drag it in. My video I already have on my computer, so I clicked My Videos and I click it. And then I click Use It, and it shows up in the center of the page, so I'm going to X out of this box. And I can resize the video and drag it to where I want it to be on the page. Then say I wanted to change the settings that it would play as soon as you open the screen, or turn the volume down so it's not as loud. I could use the setup, or say I didn't like that video, I could delete it or lock it in place so that I can't move it. And then if I wanted to send it or double it or send it to another area, I could use those other buttons there. And there's more little like text box things, which if I wanted them there I could keep them, but I could change the title. So like if I wanted people to know that that was a video there, I could type in and again change the color or the font. I can move where that box is placed, make it smaller or bigger. Down here there's a spot that has images, so I click that image button, the same box pops up, and you click on the image or graphic. Say I wanted it to be a graphic, I could pick any of the ones here. They have different categories, so say I wanted this light bulb, click it and then click use it. It shows up on the page, and I can move it to wherever I want it. If I wanted to use an image from the computer, I could click image and then my images, or again you could upload it or type in a link, then choose one of the photos. You could add a frame around it if you want. So say I wanted it to have, I don't know, this frame right here, and then click use it and it'll show up in the center of the page. And I click it and drag it to where I want it. Make it bigger or smaller. And say I didn't like this pink box, I could delete that. Say I wanted to add sound, I could upload a sound clip and then have that in there. An example of an already completed one I did was on how to create a Glogster. So the steps to creating a Glogster is to pick your template, then enter the information and insert your tables or images. On the left side I have a description. It's a tool for students to demonstrate their learning in a creative manner. It can be used by teachers or students. Due to its simplicity, even the young students can create awesome presentations. In the classroom, Glogster gives the students the opportunity to increase digital literacy and enhance their learning experiences. It can be used in any curriculum area, so students can create a glog to display any new knowledge. Completed glogs can be easily embedded into other websites. I have listed some examples of things people have used glogs for, like to show story settings, or to provide a timeline of events, or compare a work of art with another painting or something. The list is just a few. It could go on indefinitely, because Glogster can be used in all areas of the curriculum to create outstanding results. On the right hand side I have a video that I embedded in my glog, so if I click play, and then it's a tutorial on how to use Glogster. And then down at the bottom is a sample glog that a student created for a class in physics. So really you could use it for anything you want. There's no limitations.